Hey y'all, it's Meg and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little late summer, early fall day in the life video for you. We're gonna go out into my town of North Conway, New Hampshire, check out some cool local spots, channel some fall vibes. I've got a little fall outfit inspiration for you, and we're just gonna have a nice, fun, relaxing day. So let's go. I've really been trying to work more on my style and having a more cohesive aesthetic. So I'm starting out this day with a kind of fall inspired manicure with this SE color and trying out some new things. So I got this top from Old Navy. I like the mock turtleneck, but sleeveless because it's so warm. Nude colored shoes and some yoga pants, also all from Old Navy. So if you are looking for a similar style, casual fit, Old Navy is a good spot for you. I'm really trying to get more comfortable with posing, and I want to share more style and fashion as I build my wardrobe, so it's a process. First stop for the day is White Birch Books. Adorable little bookshop. I haven't been in it before. They have this great sale rack outside, and I found a book to add to my pink book collection. Lots of local things going on this month, but let's go inside. It is the cutest little bookstore. Had a really great section all with New England, New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, Rhode Island books, everything for New England that you could possibly want to know. Love the staircase here. I did end up getting this book in Defense of Witches for a little autumn time read. This is me pretending to look at books in the sports section because it was the only place I could find to put my camera. Enjoy this. It was just so picturesque and pretty, and I can't wait to go back. Next, I had to stop at Dunkin to get some coffee, and I'm so excited about some upcoming videos, including my home tour and capsule wardrobe, and I really want to do a picnic in the park. And I also decided to go to Bavarian Chocolate House for the first time. It has been on my list forever, and I'm so excited to finally go inside and get some treats. The mountains are so pretty. They had a really cool window where you could watch them making chocolates. I tried not to be too awkward, but they both caught me filming. They had so much yummy stuff. I did end up getting some gummies, the little pumpkins. It was much smaller inside than I thought it was gonna be. It was very busy too. Clearly they stay busy, and that's amazing. Of course, no New Hampshire place is complete without a whole section dedicated to maple syrup. I used to have these when I was a kid. My parents, my mom and my grandma are very, very German, and these were such a flashback for me. But look at all these yummy things. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to go back. Then when I got home, I went straight to this hydrangea bush outside my apartment and clipped some for my coffee table because there were so many, I figured they wouldn't notice. And, you know, I'm just gonna enjoy the fresh flowers while they're still growing, because once the winter comes, it won't be like that. So pretty. I love how they're transitioning from green to blush. And I'm finishing up the night with a little bit of spooky season crafting. I found these amazing ghost candlesticks, and it's such a DIY that you can do in like 5 minutes. So I just had my candlesticks, black paint, and a paintbrush, and I just painted a little ghosty face on these 3 tapers. Literally took no time at all, but they turned out adorable. If you like this kind of content, you want more New England, fall, holiday, home stuff, make sure you hit subscribe. Also, make sure you follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Meg is pretty cool on both of those platforms. I share more like short form content on both of those. More day in the life, behind the scenes fun stuff, as I always say, but definitely don't miss out. Follow me over there. Oh my gosh, how adorable are these? I can't wait to decorate for fall and for Halloween. I've got so many plans, so make sure you stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, leave comments if you can, if you have any questions, if you're sharing this kind of content as well, I'd love to see it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!